Hi, I'm John Howard, and this is the Kahr Firearms Academy. Today I'll be showing you how to take apart your Kahr pistol. The first step you want to do in any disassembly is to make sure that your firearm is safe. So we're going to check to make sure that it's unloaded by removing the magazine. Work the slide to verify that the chamber is empty. And to prepare for disassembly, we will have to pull the trigger. The first step that you do in disassembling the pistol is to take the slide and retract it so that the witness marks on the left side of the slide align, allowing you to push the slide stop out of position. If the slide stop is tight, you can take the bottom of a magazine and use it to press on the pin on the other side to pull it loose. The slide stop can then be allowed to move forward under recoil spring tension. If you pull the trigger, you can take the slide off of the frame. When removing the slide from the frame, be sure that you don't pull upwards against the frame rails because that can cause them to be damaged. The next step in disassembly is to remove the recoil spring assembly and then pull the barrel forward and lift it out of the slide. At that point, you've completed your disassembly of your Kahr pistol. To reassemble the pistol, reverse the process. You first take the barrel and insert it into the slide. Take the recoil spring assembly and reinsert that. Note that the guide rod and recoil spring assembly remain centered in the slide even though the lug is offset. This is part of the design. Take the slide and return it to the receiver, pulling back about 2/3 distance until the slide stop can be inserted into the barrel lug. You then pull the slide further back until the half moon cutout on the slide allows reinsertion of the slide stop. Let the slide go forward under tension and verify that everything is reassembled by cycling the slide and pulling the trigger. Everything seems to be working properly. Reinsert the magazine and you have your reassembled Kahr pistol. This has been the Kahr Academy. If you have any questions about our products, please visit our website at www.kahr.com.